Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy salsa recipe. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 6 ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 jalapenos for a nice kick. Don't forget 3 cloves of garlic, a generous bunch of fresh cilantro, and the juice from 1 lime. A little salt and pepper will bring all these wonderful flavors together perfectly. This simple list ensures a delicious, vibrant salsa every time. Now let's get everything prepped. Start by roughly chopping your tomatoes, onion, and jalapenos. This doesn't need to be precise as they'll be blended. Next, mince your 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop that fresh cilantro. For an extra layer of flavor, you can quickly roast your tomatoes, onion, and jalapenos on a baking sheet for about 15 minutes before blending. This step adds a wonderful smoky depth. It's time to bring it all together. Transfer your chopped tomatoes, onion, jalapenos, minced garlic, and cilantro into a food processor or blender. Squeeze in the juice from 1 lime and add about a half teaspoon of salt to start. Pulse the mixture a few times until you reach your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others smoother. Taste and adjust the salt, lime, or even add a pinch of sugar if needed. Your delicious homemade salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it fresh with your favorite tortilla chips, or use it to elevate tacos, eggs, or grilled meats. For best flavor, let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading your next great story anywhere you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.